I guess the gym is upstairs. Libraries, Stewart, spa. Where's the gym? So we're here on the tower side. And then we have this little walkway here. There's a ballroom and exhibit hall over here through these doors. And then we've got the atrium side coming right up. So you got the tower side here and then the atrium side. If you need to mail anything, you can go to FedEx as you come to the atrium side here. So we got a cafe and pizza here. A little bar, and then this is atrium 2. So this is one of the atriums, atrium 2. Got a bunch of rooms, sitting area for the bar over here. Nice water fountains and things, and then a restaurant here. You got the media bar and grill in here. Been there a few times. Some more lounges. And then we got atrium 1 over here. And we got the atrium 1 here. Atrium 2, atrium 1. And then of course, each atrium has their own parking lots. So this is lot number 1 for atrium 1. Pretty close to downtown. As you see the parking to the right, and then also here to the left.